Larry, Axman, Roach, and Daddy Dave, two of the biggest names in car racing, are about to go head-to-head. Larry Roach is a well-known person from street racing and the hit TV show Street Outlaws. His nickname is Axman. He's a beast at driving and a master behind the wheel. His fans like how funny and brave he is on the show. He is one of the best racers in the world because he can understand how the race is going and make quick choices. On the other hand, Daddy Dave is a professional car racer and one of the most famous characters on the hit TV show Street Outlaws. He is also known as the King of Streets. He has a great reputation for always doing his best and racing in a smart way. Daddy Dave is known as one of the best street racers because he knows a lot about cars and how to race them. Both of these people have done amazing things in their lives, so who will win this fight between two legendary cars? We should find out. Larry Axman Roach loved cars as a kid and learned everything there was to know about them. Larry was a pro at making cars go faster because he knew how to build and change cars. Then he joined Street Outlaws, where he drove against other skilled drivers and won fans' hearts. Larry also runs a successful wood business, which he does in addition to racing. Larry has had a lot of success, but he is still a family man and his love of racing has spread to his children. He has made a lot of money through partnerships and his own business, which lets him keep doing what he loves. On the other hand, Daddy Dave, a famous speed racer and TV star, got his start as a cast member on the Discovery Network show Street Outlaws, which debuted in 2013. Growing up in Oklahoma with a racing father, he worked hard and put in a lot of time to build a career as a driver. The 50-year-old makes a lot of money from his TV performances, as well as from his car repair business and YouTube channel. Because he is honest and loves racing, he has a large group of devoted fans. Let's talk about how they are alike and how they compare. 102 people follow Daddy Dave's YouTube channel, Daddy Dave Racing, and he has put up more than 47 movies so far. Over 6 million people have watched them. Larry Axman has a YouTube channel called Axman and Axe Lady, which has over 27,000 subscribers and over 19 movies. There have been more than 1 million views on the feed as a whole. This round was a clear win for Daddy Dave. The money that comes in from Daddy Dave's YouTube channel is believed to be between $1,200 a month and $14,000 a year. The YouTube account of Larry Axman makes about $2,500 a year, according to estimates. So in terms of making money from YouTube, Daddy Dave is way ahead of Larry Axman. In this way, he is the clear winner, as is his dad, Dave. Growth in a channel shows Larry Axman's channel was made in November 2021, while Daddy Dave began posting movies on June 17, 2021. Both started their channels almost at the same time, but Daddy Dave's channel grew faster than Larry Axman's. This is because Daddy Dave has been regularly adding videos to their station for a longer time than Larry. Because of this, he has been able to get more subscribers and have more people watch his videos generally. I have to say that Daddy Dave also wins this one. When it comes to street racing, both Daddy Dave and Larry Axman are very good at what they do. But they each bring something different to the table. Daddy Dave is known for his skillful handling of fast cars and his ability to drive with precision. Larry Axman, on the other hand, is known for his raw speed and fearlessness. They've only met each other once, and in a car race on the Street Outlaws show, Daddy Dave, the King of Streets, beat Larry Axman. Net worth shows that both Daddy Dave and Larry Axman have made a lot of money over the course of their great racing careers. It is thought that Larry Axman has a net worth of between $500,000 and $1 million. Daddy Dave, who has a net worth of about $1.5 million, is worth a lot more than this number. Who is better then? Overall, Daddy Dave has a big advantage over Larry Axman when it comes to the growth and success of his YouTube program. But it's important to keep in mind that each channel has its own style and material. And Larry, also known as Axman, has made a name for himself as a master of street car racing. Who knows? Larry might be able to catch up to Daddy Dave in the future if he works hard and puts in a lot of effort. This is the end of the day. Also, which of the two is your favorite? Tell us in the comments section below. If you like this movie, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos.